Good evening, Kutis. For a pleasant evening, this is Priya Mahesh with you from Twilight Time. Okay, so how are you all doing? Have you all had a read through the pictures? Did you go through the pictures posted on Team Story? Okay, what we did first, we said we had a competition. Okay, then I said I will put you on to a sample story. So what I did, I gave you some picturesque images, then I narrated the story for you in short, then I scripted the story for you. Did you all go through that? Okay, this is a long-standing dream, this Twilight Time channel. So if this competition is not going to work out, definitely the team will definitely work out, and I have a passion to anchor this in Chennai, India, and throughout India from 2021 onwards, and motherland is a very sweet place, right? So gratitude to UAE and all the frontliners, doctors, nurses for being able to speak with you all, because they have protected us most than ever, including the supermarkets, malls and the cleaners, right? Fine. After offering our gratitude, what the next step after the scripting of the story is? You all attend English classes, right? You all attend rhymes classes, you all attend storytelling classes. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to read this story for you. Okay, I am going to read this story for you. First, there are two formats in this. First is reading the story, and the second is narrating the story. So what we are going to learn, what we learned from the start, we learned to form a title for a storytelling. What we formed as a title team. What is the definition of the title, or what is the abbreviation of the title? Together everyone achieves more. Okay, then what we did, we scripted we formed the story through picturesque images. Then what we did, we scripted the story. Then we started narrating in a simple way, right? Now what you are going to do is, I am going to read the story as you all read in the storybook. Fine. That is whatever I have as a script. There is a huge difference between scripting a story and narrating a story. How your class teacher or your English teacher is going to tell you the story? Is she going to read the story? No. Then that is not storytelling. That is not narration. Okay. Narration is something you add expression. Okay. You tell the story through your expression, the way you abbreviate, the way you speak. As I told you, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Priya. Okay, that is the difference. Now I am going to read the story for you. Then I am going to narrate the story for you, so that you learn step by step what is the storytelling, how to script it, how to form the pictures, how to narrate it. Okay, so you all will become future storytellers, but remind one thing, your story should carry a value, it should carry a moral, and it should carry sincerity and truth. Don't tell all your own stories, okay? If you are true, then you can't fear anyone except the God, okay? So then, short story team. Okay, you all saw the pictures, right? Yellow is good. Then coral apartment was bright. Yellow, look at me. That is what I heard in my small age. My class teacher looking at me when I was wearing a yellow pinafore. And more than that, what is in there on my tops? Okay, so different types of fruits, right? Pineapple, strawberry, banana. Okay, so this, like this, you have to wear bright images of attire or the dress, so that you catch the audience, right? If you are going to compete or participate in a storytelling competition, or you are going to appear in a TV channel, you run your own YouTube channel. I can see so many kutis running so many channels, right? Congratulations to all of them. And now we will go for the inspirational short story team. First, I am going to read the story for you as your class teacher or your parent, or you are reading from the book. This is a script reading. Okay, this is not narration. Narration is something different which you add expression, sound and then emotions, feelings. So if you are oh, it's full of joy, I am very happy, and then oh no, I am very sad. So that is called expression, right? So without adding any colors to the texture, I am going to script the story out for you. So please listen. Short story team. Team stands for together everyone achieves more. Coral apartment was full of noise from young children. Apartment chief Sultan inquired the watchman, "Why too much sound, Rahim?" "Sir, fight is going on, that's why so much sound." Chief said, "Oh God, again today?" "Yes, sir. The behaviors among their parents and grandparents is descending on them." They both realized some children have no balls or bats to play. Some have lots to play. If they share, they can enjoy more. Chief murmured something in Rahim's ears. Rahim announced loud, "Tomorrow evening, all of you assemble for a surprise in the auditorium." The next day, being Friday, the kids entered the auditorium with full energy, joy and cheer. They were overwhelmed to see so many party arrangements, games, posters on walls. They saw all their mothers sitting together and happily talking with each other. Chief greeted all the children. "He, all young and beautiful kids, how are you?" They shouted, "Good." "Can you all see? These dishes at the dining table are made from all your mothers. Each one dish." "Yes, uncle," Padma exclaimed. "I remember she made jamuns and reserved in fridge yesterday evening." Narayanan and Padmavati added, "We too saw our mom doing pav bhaji." Chief said, "Yes, if all the dishes were cooked by your mom alone, how much time it will take?" They said, "Oh, too much. See each of your mother preparing a dish and bring all of them together to serve you all a delicious dinner means what?" It's a teamwork, right? We are all going to enjoy the same. "Yes," they exclaimed. Rahim said, "Children, look at the poster on the wall. Is Tendulkar and Dhoni playing cricket alone?" They replied, "No, uncle, they play as a team." Immediately Sultan asked, "Then why did you all fight yesterday? Why can't you all share your playthings, ideas and time together?" They nodded, "Yes, yes, yes," and assured, "We will do it from tomorrow." Sultan replied, "Now look at the projector. What is written? Teamworks mean what? See, all the colored balloons are together. Okay, they form a colorful team, right? If you put only yellow together, if you put only rose together, damn the effect of that. You look at my kurti, all the colors together, it looks good, right? So together everyone achieves more. If we are as a team, we can understand each other, share and care for each other, workload is reduced, playing together gives more joy. Thank you so much. This is Priya Mahesh with you for Twilight Time, right? So thanks for listening. Next video I'll be posting narrating the story. Fine? Thank you all. Have a great evening.